How to log in to PayPal account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your PayPal account. In order to log into your PayPal account, first of all, you will need to ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have done that, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, type in paypal.com. Then press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of PayPal. Here in this page, you will be able to locate login button at the top right corner. You will need to click on this login button and then now you will be presented with a login interface. Here you will need to enter your email address or mobile number and your password. Make sure to enter all the details correctly. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also click on this forgot password link just below the password box, and from there you can follow the instructions in order to reset or recover your password. Also, if you want to use the one-time code in order to log into your account, you may click on this login with one-time code and then a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. From there you can enter your code and log into your account. Also, if you haven't signed up to your account, you may click on the sign up button right here and follow the instructions and fill in the details in order to create an account on PayPal. So now after entering all the details correctly, go ahead and click on this login button right here and then you'll be able to log in to your PayPal account. Once logged in, if you haven't set up your account yet, you may set it up by following the instructions given here. Also, you can link a bank account, credit or debit card in order to initiate your transactions. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your PayPal account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.